Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. First of all, I would like to welcome you in our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Day Shift, and now I am going to conduct an ICT class for the students of class 10 and it's about chapter 5. Dear students, in your physical class, that means when you came at school, on that time you told that you have a great problem regarding chapter 5. So we will discuss this chapter, okay? So it's the first class to you. Dear students, from chapter 5, I have summarized page number 68 to 71 here. If you just have a overview here, then you would be very much helpful regarding these pages, okay? Dear students, chapter 5 is about concept of multimedia, okay? So first of all, you have to know what is multimedia. So at the beginning you will get multimedia and graphics. Multimedia is the integration of multiple forms of expressive media such as text, graphics, drawings, photographs, videos, etc. This is about multimedia, okay? Then multimedia is the combination of different expressive media. That means different medias means like these medias or except other medias. We express ourselves by using at least three media, which are color, imaging and sound. These three media have various forms too. Different kinds of media are known to us. The medias are paper publication, radio, television, video, cinema, video games, educative software, web page, etc. We can call television, video and cinema multimedia, but video games, educative software and web page are called interactive multimedia, okay? This is all about multimedia, okay? Now we will try to learn media of multimedia, okay? We know that the computer is the most popular digital device. Is widely known as calculating machine. According to the invention of Charles Babbage, first of all, it was actually a calculating machine. But day by day or by the passage of time, it started processing and transferring data, and another important work of computer. That means data processing and sending the data to other device has become its task. From which task? From the task of calculation, and later on we also use it as typing, okay? The use of multimedia in ICT. Dear students, there are the basic use or main uses of multimedia in ICT, okay? Dear students, before going to that, first of all we will learn about text. To write text, we need to have the help of ICT. Then graphics. So to make any graphics design, we need to help the ICT. That means we need to have the device, we need to have the internet connection like this, and also have the knowledge. Then video, animation, sound or audio. For performing all these tasks, we need the help of multimedia. Now let's talk about use of multimedia in ICT. That means how we need multimedia in ICT, okay? As teaching aid. Dear students, you know that nowadays if you don't know any topic, by the help of using ICT, that means by going to YouTube, you can know everything. You can solve your problem. So it's helping us as teaching aid, multimedia software. Dear students, you know that for teaching aid, if you need any software, you can get it. And digital publication. Dear students, nowadays you are using your hard copy of your book, but after few years you will get that there would be no use of bringing or having this hard copy of your book. It would be transformed into digital content. That means no need to bring any hard copy of your book. Dear students, now entertainment. Another use of multimedia in ICT is entertainment. Nowadays, imagine that your mood is off. Then, by the help of ICT or by the help of multimedia, you can entertain yourself by watching movies, by watching cartoons or funny videos at your device, staying at home. This is entertainment. Advertisement. Imagine that you are a businessman and you need to advertise your products. So how can you do it? By the help of multimedia and ICT, you can advertise it very easily. Dear students, the fourth number is games. I know that you have a great addiction in games, although it's bad, but if you perform this for a short time, then it would not be harmful for you. But if you do it for a long time, it would be very much harmful to you. So try to enjoy the game less time. Dear students, you have homework number 1 and you have to make 5 MCQ from these pages. Dear students, this is the end of the class. I hope you all got understood today's class very easily. After enjoying the class, I will request you to go through the book. Then it would be very much easier to you to evaluate what is written on the book. So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.